I am getting up.
Son, brush your teeth.
Mom, it's getting late. I will do it at night. Assalamualaikum.
Come here, son. I cut your nails.
No, Grandma, I will cut it tomorrow. Now I am going to play.
Come on, son. Take a bath.
I will take a bath tomorrow. Mom, I am feeling sleepy now.
I am a toothbrush. You don't brush your teeth, so I will lose your teeth. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. You don't take a bath. I will make you sick. Ha